Hey guys, it's Joyce here. Welcome to this video. For those who don't know me and who are new to this channel, my name is Joyce Mitu and I do videos on network marketing, internet marketing, and mostly affiliate marketing, where I give you tips and show you how you can make money online and do reviews of products that can help you in your online journey or online business. In today's video, I'm going to show you three tools that are really important in an online business for any person who is beginning their journey as an affiliate marketer, and the types of product that you need to promote in order to get success in affiliate marketing. And this success, many newbies are not actually doing it, and they are ignoring it, and it's a type of mistake to avoid. So let me share my screen to you to just explain to you briefly the levels of affiliate marketing and what are the tools that you need. So as you can see here, guys, I've already drawn it in Paint, but let me go through with it really quickly. So there is traffic, and the traffic can be, you can generate your traffic from social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok. There are so many out there, and there is YouTube and blogs. Now, the traffic that are generated through this, you can just send them directly to your product, to the product that you're promoting through your affiliate link, and earn a commission when the purchase is done. Now, I already did a video on how anyone can get started with affiliate marketing for free, and I'll just link the video in the description above this video so that you can check it out later. And this is good. This is good with minimal investment, guys. It doesn't cost you nothing. So you just do a video and put your affiliate link. That's, for example, YouTube. You do a video, you put your affiliate link, and the traffic that you generate over there, just click on your affiliate link and go directly to the product that you were promoting. But as a good affiliate marketer, you will need to invest in some assets. And let me show you the three top assets that you will need. Let's take, for example, here. Okay, I did the drawing. Here it is. So you generate your traffic from the platforms that I just mentioned, and you transfer them to something called an opt-in funnel or an opt-in page. In this opt-in page, you collect the name and their email addresses. Now, there are two ways you can do it. You can either direct them directly to the product you are promoting and let the purchase be done and earn your commissions, or you can direct them to another page called the bridge funnel or the thank you page, where you present a text message to welcome them or a video, and then later on direct them to the product and make commissions. Now, not everyone who just enter their emails will be interested in buying the product that you are promoting, and you have to know that. And for that, you need an email service provider. So the names and email addresses that you collected here goes directly in this email service provider, and later on you can send them emails to the product that you were promoting at first, or to other products that you plan to promote and earn commissions when purchases are done later on. Now, this is how affiliate marketing works, guys. This is the exact strategy many successful affiliate marketer uses. Now, let me show you examples of what I meant by opt-in page, bridge page, and email service provider. Now, the opt-in page, guys, so this is an example of an opt-in page, guys. This opt-in page I was using to get myself leads, that is traffic, to give me their email addresses, their names, to get access to a free traffic bootcamp that was done last year in the month of October. And I got a lot of traffic through that. And this is another example of another opt-in page. This is where I give free training, and when they click download now, they will insert their email addresses so that I can send them the trainings in their email addresses. Now, this is an example of a bridge page. This bridge page was created by my mentor, Franklin Hatchett, and where he introduces himself, and later on we promote another free book to the next page, so that people coming through are interested and they can buy the book. They just have to pay the shipping. All the information that were collected in the opt-in page, such as this or this, they are transferred to what I said to be an email list provider. That is, I have a list where I collect their emails, their names, and I send them emails on a daily basis or on a weekly basis that when I promote other products, I send them to them. So I'm just making money through this, like this. When I'm just promoting other product to the list that I already have, I don't have to work hard again to get myself some leads. Now, what I want you to know that this funnel was built by me, and this funnel was built by my mentor. Now, the funnel provider that we use is called ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels, guys, is a software where you are able to create your landing page, your bridge page, like I showed you guys, and you can do a lot more of things. Now, he is the founder, the owner of ClickFunnels. They provide you 14-day trial through which you can create funnels, sales funnels that can convert your visitors into leads and then customers and make money through that. And the best part is that you don't have to hire or rely on any tech team, which is awesome. Now, there are many types of people using it. There are coaches, there are bloggers to generate lead, they are selling products, and you can have a look and get access to your 14 days trial. I will leave a link below. You can watch the videos here. They will give you a walkthrough of ClickFunnels, what is there inside and how you can do stuff. But I'm giving 4 days training. It's free training. You just have to click below and have access. And have access to the 4 days training and get yourself started. And as I said, there are product sellers, e-commerce, coaches, and many others that are using ClickFunnels for their online business. And the second part is where does all this information goes. Now, you can store your information in your ClickFunnels itself, or you can choose to an external email service provider. It's true ClickFunnels offer this, but it has a package actually. I'm using a package which costs about $97 per month, and the other package where you can integrate your emails, etc., and send your emails to your leads is $297 per month. So it is better that I use an external email service provider, which is GetResponse. And here is GetResponse, guys. This is where my leads, the information of my leads are collected, and this is the best that you can use. Why? Because there is a process called automation, and you don't have automation everywhere. Now, what is automation, guys? You can do automatic sending to your leads, know when someone is opening your mails and when someone is actually clicking your links in your mails. An example is like this. So anyone subscribing to my opt-in page is sent a message like this, and if the message is opened, they will I ask if the link is clicked, and they will go and wait for another day, and second message will be sent. And if they don't open the message, if you don't open the mail, they will be sent another mail, and that will prompt them to click my link or open it, and then they will wait for another day, and they will be sent the second mail the next day. So this is how automation works, guys, and you know who clicked on your links, who did not click on your links, or who opened your mails and who did not. And if ever someone replies to your mails, you need to have a place to receive those emails and get into contact with them. Now guys, GetResponse is a mail service provider, so you can just send emails with time and every day automatically, but you will need a professional email address to be able to do so, and for that you need G Suite. So why G Suite, guys? G Suite is you are able to have your professional email address. Mine is joycemitu@intellectonline.com. The intellectonline.com is a domain that I bought. So, and the domain can be bought through ClickFunnels itself. And these are the three tools that I was talking about. So let's have a recap. The first one is your sales funnel provider. The second is your email service provider. And the third one is a place where you can send your emails, which is G Suite. So guys, even though you have all these three set up, you will need to have a product that will bring you money. So many newbie affiliate marketer, what they do is they promote a product, get the commissions, and it's over. No, that's not how it is done. Many successful affiliate marketers, what they do is they promote a product that gives them recurring income. What I mean by recurring income is an example. When someone pays a monthly fee, you are getting a commission through that. So one of the best platforms that I can show you right now is Legendary Marketer. Yes, Legendary Marketer, guys, is an education platform that teaches you how you can start up an online business in exactly 15 days. So you're given courses throughout the 15 days, and this is my backend office, guys. I'm an affiliate of this product, and I've tested the product, I tried it, and this is one of the results that I got from this product. Yes, I made this amount of money through the training that I obtained over here. And let me tell you, this is one of those amazing training that you will ever get online. Why do you need a training like this? It is well structured. There are coaches that help you. You get your own advisor, business advisor. You get bonus scripts and all that. Now, of course, there will be other products being promoted over there, such as the Marketers Club, the Omni Branding Formula, Rolodex Bundle, ebooks, copywriting playbook, all that. But you also get bonuses such as Free Traffic Bootcamp and the blog walkthrough. Now, the second product that the second, third, and recurring product that you can promote is none other than the sales funnels. That is the sales funnel software. That is the ClickFunnels. You can promote ClickFunnels itself, and they have a lot of products that you can promote through them, such as free books, the software itself. For example, the software costs $97 per month. So anyone that pays per month and entered through ClickFunnels through your affiliate link, you get a commission through the monthly fee that the other person, your referral, are paying. And the same is for GetResponse, guys. GetResponse is I'm paying GetResponse $15 per month. So when I pay $15 per month, the person through which I entered GetResponse through gets a percentage of the commissions that I paid. Now, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope you really got value from this and you understood what to do next and what types of product to promote so that you can get yourself started through this amazing journey. And like I said, if you really want to get an education, a high-level education, I suggest you click on my #1 recommendation in the description box. That is, you will be directed to Legendary Marketer and get yourself started with this amazing platform and start earning money. So if you like this video, do smash the like button and also do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other upcoming videos that can help you guys make money online and educate you. So it's been fun. See you in the next video. Bye bye.